Can I order pepperoni pizza?
He ordered pepperoni pizza.
Yes, I wanna order pepperoni pizza with pineapple.
Ay, ayokong pineapple.
I want
Yeah,
pineapple.
actually, for me, pineapple doesn't belong on pizza. For me, for me.
Yeah, hello Pistol, hello
Yes, I
Steam.
wanna order pizza.
Hello.
Like, Hello Pistol and Steam B. Like, let's say, yeah, pineapple does belong on pizza, but like other people say it doesn't, and I'm
Educated.
one of I'm one of
Ito,
those
ano?
people that doesn't like pineapple on pizza. To be honest.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have a point. But can I order my pizza? Can I order pizza?
Sige, mag-order ka, putang ka.
No, gago.
Ano ba?
Why are you angry at me? I just wanna order my pizza.
Wait, yo, wait.
Pepperoni pizza.
Yo,
I just want my
I
pizza,
can
you
imagine
know.
Green, like, she's
It's
working on
customers,
this
right?
business with her pizza, right? And like,
I will
there's a
sue you.
customer.
Shouted at me, a Karen shouted.
You curse at me, I will sue you.
Where is your manager?
I'm just ordering my pizza.
Manager mo, mukha mo, fuck you.
Like, let's
Go.
say Marky is like the customer, right? And he's calling through his phone, and like Green was the one who answered. And let's say that Green will scream at Marky like, "Get your fucking order!"
Get your fucking order
Yeah.
right now.
I will sue you, you woman.
Do this shit.
I will sue you. I just want my pizza. I will sue you.
Okay?
I will sue you, bitch. I just want my pizza. I will sue you.
I'm gonna fuck your house if you don't want to.
I will sue you. I just want my pizza.
Stick this pizza inside your mouth. Don't even chew it. Just swallow it whole.
Gusto ko na ng pizza, puta ka na mo mag-bossing ka man. Gusto ko na ng pizza.
Or some Karens just shouted at me, where is your manager? Manager mo kuma.
Oo nga, tama ka nga, pero asan yung pizza ko?
But
I'm
like,
giving you a manager, you
like,
bitch. Get the
Green.
fuck out of here.
Green, you should get a job of like, in a pizza area. Like, you should be the one who takes orders. And like, let's say, yeah, like Marky will be a customer, right? And he ordered pizza.
Yeah.
Of
Get
course,
this shit out of your mouth,
you
you motherfucker.
get your fucking order, motherfucker. Get over here.
I will just order somewhere else. This woman is a prick. She's cursing at me. I just want my pizza and you're cursing at me.
Oo na, punyeta ka. O sige, kumain ka dyan. I muted him or her, whatever the fuck you are. I'm sorry.
I have a name, you know.
I just wanna eat some pepperoni pizza.
My name is Mark.
That's how you sound like.
Yeah, like you sound like a person dying, craving for pizza.
I want a fucking pizza.
Pizza.
Yes, I just want my pizza. I will sue you. I will sue you, woman.
Gerald,